Unbox display. List of accessories. Plug in the power supply. Insert the sensor. Input in connected to the subcontrol. Insert the sensor. CH1 out can be directly connected to RJ12 single-channel interface fixtures. Turn off the lights. Turn on the lights. System date and time settings. Fahrenheit and Celsius switching. Press and hold to enter the power and PPF settings. Swipe or tap plus to adjust. Click Confirm, Save, and Exit. Timing settings. Click the plus sign to add a timer. Swipe or tap plus to adjust. Set the channel brightness. Set the start time. 0 means off. Enable yes, enable no, does not enable del, deletes the timing. Different spectra can be changed by timing. Sunrise sunset setting. Input execution time. Click Confirm, Save, and Exit. System settings. Adjust the spectral display. Turn on the lights timing. Turn off the lights timing. Long press the icon to enter the app control mode. Open the app on your mobile phone. Add a device. Click the plus sign to finish adding. Dimming operation. Add a timing. Set up the function display. Press and hold the icon to exit app mode. Click to switch the output signal category. Press and hold the upper left corner to enter the spectrum display mode. Addness the spectrum. Return to dimming interface. For more information, please consult the manual or contact a technician. Thanks for watching.